Brian Gillum with Gillum Team Real Estate here. I know you've heard on the radio ads about companies that will buy your house for a fair market value. Some of them, you can actually choose your own move date, or some of them will even pay for your move for you. But let me ask you this. Who is really going to be paying for that moving company? Do you think the company that is buying the house is actually going to just pay for it out of the kindness of their heart? No. What they're actually going to do is offer you a lower payment, lower purchase price, and then they're going to pay for your move. So you're still the one paying for your own move. Granted, they do offer, you can pick your own moving date, closing date. But for a convenience fee of $20, $30, I've even heard of $50,000, do you think you could put up with a couple of people coming through your house, maybe an open house once or twice, to get the full market value, the full amount your house is actually worth, versus selling it to another company that's going to relist it and then sell it for the full market value anyways? Cut out the middleman, keep the full profit for yourself. Does that sound a little better? If you're looking to sell your home, let's do it for full market value. Give me a call or text, or contact me by email. Phone number is 623-521-4817. Brian Gillum, Gillum Team Real Estate, where we treat you like family.